Ray Price.
Do you remember when you were before the world took you away? Will you forgive me and make the world go away? Yeah.
Off your shoulder. Look what you got on your shoulder.
I got a little dog or something wet on my shoulder. Make the world go away. Now I'm sorry if you hurt me. Let me make it up to you day by day. And if I will, please forgive me. And make the world
Synchronicity.
go away. Make the world go away. Get off of my
Keep baking just like that.
Right?
Yeah,
That's so good.
we're not good. Get off my shoulder.
2 spots.
Say the things you used to say. And make the world go away. I got a little burn on my shoulder, it won't leave. No, it just won't leave. It just won't leave. And then when I try to get him
He
off,
loves you on this one.
what am I gonna do
He
this?
just squawked at you too.
Yeah, I know. It just.
You got a little mark on your back. Let me get it up.
Okay, good.
Did he poop on his back?
Oh, you're so cute.
Did he poop a
But
little?
he was squeaking a little bit. He just got.
Yeah, he gets excited.
Oh, that's so nice. Great.
You got him excited.
Hey, well, we got somewhere excited. I don't know.
We got Jim. Jim, you're up next.
I'm up?
Doing
You're
Eleanor
up, say it.
Rigby.
Okay, I'm doing Eleanor Rigby.
Yep. Well, unless you don't want
I've
to.
been meaning to do this for months. I gotta get it off my chest.
Okay. So you want to do it? You don't want us to skip your turn?
Skipping. Is this karaoke or confession? Get it off your chest.
Going Canada.
Oh, look at all the lonely people. Oh, look at all the old lonely people. Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice in the church where a wedding has been. Lives in a dream, waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words of a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near, look at him working, darning his socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Ah, look at all the lonely people. Eleanor Rigby died in the church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Father Mackenzie wiping the dirt from his hands as he walks from the grave. Nobody was saved. All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong?
Thank you, Jim.
No problem.
Change melody.
I'm trying another one.
Oh,
Trying a new one.
you're just hitting